type of fashion do you prefer, the 90s or now?
Personally, I prefer now, as the clothes are better fitted and the style they have, such as like snapbacks, not just snapbacks, like the normal Nike caps and those kind of hats, just look better in general.
And what type of music do you prefer, the hip hop rap now or the 90s?
Personally, I prefer it now, as it adds more suited to me, as I like the style of it, the kind of beats they make. For example, I love Fetty Wap because he's just amazing.
Okay. And another question, what do you think you prefer in a music, hip hop, R&B kind of magazine?
Personally, I prefer there to be like interviews of the magazine people and not interviews of magazine people, interviews of the celebrities and like how they're getting on in their life and what they're doing to help others get to the position where they are now.
Thank you.